BioPower for Nokia N900 is a software tool to estimate the current input power of the solid biofuel burner. The barrel in the back is the wood pellet tank. The black tube that is connected to the bottom of the barrel is the conveyor. This blue box down here is the solid biofuel burner. This round blue thing over here is the end of the conveyor. These are the mechanical parts of the solid biofuel burner. This is the control unit of the burner. On the second row of its display you can see the current feed percentage of the conveyor. Now it seems to be 32%. Now let me start the BioPower software on my N900 device. As you can see from the red bars, it does actually hear the conveyor. BioPower finds the edges of the sound and estimates the current input power of the burner. The estimate is based on the rest and feed cycles of the conveyor. When the estimate is good enough, the bars turn to green, like this. The longer the bars stay green, the better the estimate gets. Okay, that's the way the BioPower for Nokia N900 works when used in an actual boiler room. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.